today I had intended to tell you more about what these markets that we've been discussing about. Uh, we will be talking about technicals basically. This is where the most interesting part starts now, which will also interest you all people, and will get your adrenaline going कि ये क्या चीज़ है. So, where to make money, how to make money, what are the factors that some professionals look at, the technical analysis that we'll be looking at, what is technical analysis, price action movement, and in that we will discuss about what is Elliott wave theory and what is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is an interesting one. It's in mathematics. It's used almost in everything. Mathematics, astronomy, astrology, arts, science, everything. The working of the universe is on a Fibonacci's ratio, golden ratio that we talk about. अच्छा, उससे पहले I was just going about the room and I was just talking to the young ones over here and trying to learn what basically you guys were doing. Now, before that, on that note, I decided कि आपको आज थोड़ा बताएं कि what is important in life. For example, young people like you who are trying to, अभी तो internship कर रहे हैं, but trying to make something of themselves and trying to find a niche, एक place ढूंढ रहे हैं अपने लिए where they can set their future, what they are good at and what they are not good at, right? So, most important thing is skills, acquiring skills. First and foremost, आपने अपने आप को, you have to analyze yourself. What are you good at? What are you good at? I mean, whatever profession, career, or even a course study in a university that you choose, you should always, obviously there are mentors out there, college guidance counselors that guide you looking at your grade sheets and they tell you which major that you should use in a university. I don't know if it happens here in Pakistan, probably it does now, but it does happen in other foreign universities abroad. For example, I had a mentor, I had a guidance counselor, and he said, okay, go into electrical engineering, mathematics, you're good in physics and mathematics, to choose that. But unfortunately, life took a turn and I came into this business. इसी तरह, if you're good in mathematics or engineering subjects, obviously you have to figure out that my line of choice in a university would be something to do with these subjects. So you go into engineering, aeronautical engineering, you go into mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and all these other faculties. If you're good, you understand biology and human anatomy, and you're intrigued by the human map that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made, and you want to go into biology and human anatomy, you would choose that. So the point I'm making is, know yourself and know your skills and know your interests. In life, it is very important for young people like you is to understand themselves. The first and foremost case hota hai कि how you analyze yourself, right? In today's world, जब आप बाहर निकले हो, when you go out, what is the first thing that you are selling? Are you selling the product जो आपको दी जाती है किसी कंपनी के लिए, या are you selling the knowledge that you've acquired through your learning, that you've acquired through university, your skill that you have polished, that the education that you have achieved? Are you selling that? What is the first thing that you're selling? You're selling yourself. खुद ही को बेच रहा होता है ना इंसान, अपने आप को बेच रहा है. So my worth is this much, so you pay me this much, or you give me a chance in this field and I will prove myself because I have the skills and the ability and the education, and I can do this and I can apply them with focus, and I will try to achieve the goal, whatever target that you would intend me to achieve. So what are you selling? You're selling yourself first. Everyone here, everyone in this world, they are selling themselves or they are selling something. But the first impression that any person who looks at you, who is a buyer, who has the money and the wealth, who looks at you is, I mean, what he assesses is this person worth my time, the 5 minutes or the 3 minutes of my time of the interview that I'm going to, that this guy is going to, sit there and waste 5 minutes of my time. Is that person, he or she, worth it? आप लोगों ने पहले ये एनालाइज करना है. Are you worth that 4 or 5 minutes of discussion when you go into an interview room? Are you worth it? क्या आप में वो स्किल है? क्या आप में वो एबिलिटी है? That's the most important thing. So this is what I mean by skills. Are you worth it? So ask your question. Ask yourself a question. शीशे के सामने खड़ा के पूछो, क्या मैं worth it हूँ? Am I worth it? जिस जॉब के लिए या जिस चीज़ के लिए या जो टारगेट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अचीव इन लाइफ, do I have the consistency to pursue that target? Will I be able to maintain the focus to achieve that target? There will be hurdles. Would I have the courage to, overcome those hurdles, face those hurdles, and then keep my aim, and stay focused? Right? First, in selling, what counts, as I've said earlier, especially to the boys, मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि what counts, how your personality looks. Your thinking shapes your personality. Your mindset shapes your personality. Your confidence shapes your personality. So what gives you confidence? First is knowledge. The second, and also not second, but at par with knowledge, is your overall speaking skills, your personality, how you dress up, how you walk, how you shake a hand when it comes to men. Shake my hand. This is a handshake. This is a handshake, यार. You're a man, यार. Firm handshake. दबा मेरा हाथ दबा ना. ये पता चले बंदे में जान है. So if you are selling something, तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? Abdurrahman. Nice to meet you, Abdurrahman. How are you? Right? So this is a handshake. For a man, this is a handshake. Do you have a firm handshake? Right? This is what it counts in men. For women, maintaining your self-respect. If you're a Muslim, obviously, shaking hands with any mehram ya na mehram banda, it is not allowed in Islam. So how you conduct yourself and stand and you speak as commanded by the Prophet Muhammad for women, you speak in a voice that is a bit commanding for women. अगर ऊंची आवाज़ में बात करें, रिस्पेक्ट अगले बंदे को, और धीमी आवाज़ में बात करेगी और लड़की ख़ास तौर पे ऐसे करेगी तो गलत सिग्नल जाएगा. For a girl, that is important. How you carry your tone when you talk in a room, or how you carry yourself. You see, for girls now I'm talking about now. मर्द उसकी इज्जत करता है जो, मैं आपकी बात करता हूँ, अगर उसकी माँ ने उसको सही तरह पाला है और अपनी माँ और बहन की इज्जत करता है, बापर्दा औलद की जो होगा ना, मर्द इज्जत करेगा, उसकी आंखों में हया होगी. लेकिन आपने भी उस चीज़ को जो कहा गया है कि ज़रा ज़ोरदार लहजे में, एक इन अ कमांडिंग लहजा, इन अ कमांडिंग वॉइस आपने उससे बात करनी है, नॉट कि उसको इंटाइस करे कोई चीज़. सो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर वुमेन. मेंटेनिंग योर ऑरा ऑफ रिस्पेक्टेबिलिटी. अगर ये बात समझ में आई आपको. इन अ वर्क प्लेस, फॉर women, wear clothes that basically, if you're working in these days, पहले हमारे में तो अलाउ नहीं होता, लेकिन but it is, निकलना पड़ता है बच्चियों को, कि you wear clothes basically that जो आपकी माइंड को ज़्यादा फोकस करे बंदा. When you talk, they're listening to your words. They're not focusing anywhere else, if you understand what I mean. Right? You can dress in a westernized manner, but cover yourself properly. But when you're at a workplace, you know, you tell them, I'm here because you hired me because of my brain, because of my ability to work. So that's where you concentrate. You make them focus on, okay, your ability. Coming back to the boys, the handshake was the first one. The second most important thing, how you talk, your voice. Even on a phone call, अगर कोई बंदा मुझे सोई आवाज़ में कॉल करे, हाँ सर मैं ऐसे कॉल करने हूँ, आप मेरी बात सुनेंगे, ऐसे दोनों सुन लें, what the, I'll say WTF, thak, I'll hang up. I have a very decent voice. Ragam sir, I'm so and so. क्या नाम था? Abdul Rahman from OS Capital, and I have some interesting news for me. Can you give me 5 minutes, 2 minutes of your time? Do not say 5 minutes. 5 minutes is too bloody long. Can you give me a minute of your time, sir? I know you're very busy, sir. मुझे पता है बहुत मसरूफ है सर, लेकिन 1 मिनट दे देंगे मुझे? Probably ये information आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित हो. Now I've said it in Urdu, but it's the way you talk. Since I have the confidence in my ability कि मैं ऐसे क्या बताने वाला हूँ और मैंने सारी ये सीखा है, so that confidence will show in your voice as well, even on a phone. You see, you keep a healthy mind, a healthy body, that thing will show in your manner, in your walk, and you will walk the talk. एक phrase है, walk the talk. You will walk the talk. So it's very important. अभी आप जो कर रहे हो, maybe some of you want to be in sales and or want to be in marketing, and the basic thing is this life is about sales and marketing. Simple, मैं आपको ये बात बता दूँ. It's about selling yourself. So your life is about sales and marketing. घर में रिश्ता अच्छा नहीं मिलता यार अगर मुंडा सही तरह खुलो भी नहीं सकता. ठीक है ना, कुड़ी वाले भी प्रेस नहीं होते कि इनू ती देनी है मैं यार ते गल भी दी आवाज़ सुन गल देख तेरा पिठ वड्डी है ते छाती छोटी है. Obviously people look at that. I mean it's like the guy is not maintaining himself. I mean it's like मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, maintain yourself. So that is what I said कि अपनी फिजिक बनाओ. लड़कों के लिए important है. I mean be active in some sort of sports. ठीक है ना? I mean, not that sort of sports, but good sports. I mean, play football, play tennis, play cricket or whatever. Join the gym. I mean, MMA, everything. You will see आपको कोई भी sport जो होगी आपको discipline देगी, आपको confidence देगी. और for boys, for men, it is important कि अपना social circle जो है, you develop your social circle. Right now, what you're utilizing is your social circle, right? People you know. So you're required to develop a network, isn't it? So that network depends upon the people that you know, right? Now, if you are a hermit, कि आप secluded हो, अकेले रहते हो, किसी से बात करना पसंद नहीं करते, मैं ऐसी हूँ, बस लोग मेरे पास आए, मुझे जाने का शौक नहीं है, then I'm sorry, you do not have a social network. No marketing company or no one will in fact hire you. This world is basically based on, we are all social animals, जिसे कहते हैं. So we have since we are social animals, so it is important for you to socialize with the right sort of people. Joining the right clubs, like I said, a boxing club, a MMA club, joining a cricket fraternity or a football fraternity, आपके friends circle बन जाते हैं. Because once you're playing and 11 players in a team, one is pretty well off, your peers are कोई पैसे वाला है, कोई वो ऐसे वाला है, skills लेकिन सबकी एक है, but you develop a network. You develop a network of friends. And those friends, mind you, in hard times, if they're good friends, they are very useful. I mean, they are helpful to you. So maintain a healthy, proper social network. First most important thing. The other thing I said, personality. And I'll tell you a story about myself. I was 35 years back when I was 21, so I'm 56 now. So in 1991, I started working. And I started working for a brokerage firm, SE, as a sales agent. I wasn't a trainer then. Later in life, I've become a trainer and started educating people. Now, when I started, there was, I won't name that client, it was a very big family in Pakistan, a business family. And I, managed to somehow get an appointment with that personality, a businessman, a very high profile businessman. And since I was 21, just like you guys, but one thing I did at a very young age, since I studied abroad and I worked, my father basically inculcated the fact that develop your personality, and that's what I as a very young age, since I saw my own father, he was in the army. He was very active. He showed me what exercises, what workouts that a guy should do to develop his shoulders, maintain your stamina, maintain. He was an avid football player and a tennis player and a polo player. Going back to, if you're giving this, if you're talking to someone, I've heard you guys over the phone, कि आप आ जाएं, request है. No, don't request anything. Please visit us. Do not say please. If you're saying please, it's showing your weakness. Oh, you need them. So we have this opportunity for you. What can you do? If you're getting a network and skilling, you can learn something when you are in this environment with us. आप environment हमारी आएंगे, देखेंगे, you will learn from it. Right? And get the words like sorry and please. When you're selling something, get rid of these words. Sorry, okay, fine. When I'm not saying in life, if you do something wrong, apologize. Yes, but otherwise, sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, no. Could you repeat that, please? कह रहा है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आई, सॉरी अब दोबारा रिपीट करें. तो आप उसको कहते हो, could you repeat that, please? दोबारा प्लीज एक बार बोल, इस तरह बोले. Do not say sorry, I didn't understand. No, could you repeat that, please? So choose your words, choose your sentences, your jumlas very, very carefully. Do not look weak anywhere, in any situation. Respect yourself. Right? For example, you're sitting in a room and you go for an interview, or you're sitting in a room with elders and other, high-profile figures. You do not go and sit like this. Boys के लिए chair पे जाके. Disrespectful. Knees or legs should be down. Maintain your posture, back straight. Right? That's what it should be. और वैसे भी करने बैठे हैं, the way that women sit and where the boys, that men sit. Men do not sit with this leg on this side. Women do. Men sit like this if they have to. So learn these things. This is important. When you invite your potential client, your customer, whoever you are trying to market, when it happens in a so let's have lunch together. I invite you for lunch. You can write that expense in the company's account. I don't know if it's available over here. I don't want to add to that expense to this company. But anyway, I fed a lot of people out of whatever money that I used to get for business lunch and everything. Yes, at times I did get the business, at times I did not, but I always learned something. Always, when you go to a restaurant, be respectable to the person who is serving food to you. Waiter के साथ तमीज से, और क्योंकि वो भी काम कर रहा है बेचारा, रिस्क हलाल कमा रहा है, वो आपका नौकर नहीं है, आपके बाप का नौकर नहीं है. Show him respect. Say thank you when he brings the food to you. Be polite. These things, that person who you are trying to get his business, या उससे कोई काम ले रहे हो, वो चीज़ें नोट करता है. They are noticing this in you. What sort of a personality you have? Do you have a rude personality? Thank you. ये लेके आओ, वो करो. Don't be that. Don't be an idiot. In my book, they are idiots. If you don't be an idiot, there's a lot of idiots out there. So first and foremost thing is, in any environment that you go, is to be respectful. Okay? So when you're at a lunch or a business dinner, do not be the first one to reach for the dish and put food in your plate. You wait. You let the other person, sir, please go ahead, up. And also, when you're finishing that dinner or lunch, do not take the last bite out of that bowl जो भी पड़ा हुआ है. आखिरी bite मत लेना. Leave it for the other person. These are etiquettes, what you call manners. These things, beta, people look at and they notice. What is your grooming? What is your, you know, what kind of a person you are? ਪਿਓ ਨੇ ਸਹੀ ਤਰਬੀਅਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਅਣਮਿਹਨਤ ਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਦਾ ਕੱਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਇੰਝ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਇੰਝ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੁੱਟਿਆ ਆ ਕੇ ਠਾ it goes back to your parents. So these are the practices that you should practice. इस पे आप you should concentrate on. This is what makes a person. Being kind, being human. मोमिन का यही है कि हमारे दीन के अंदर के उसका दिल नरम होता है जिसमें एहसास नहीं उसके पास अल्लाह नहीं अल्लाह एक एहसास है अल्लाह का एहसास जो पहले मैंने बताया अल्लाह इज़ अबाउट एहसास वो कहते हैं ना अल्लाह ऊपर से देखता नहीं अल्लाह आपको अंदर से देखता है हज़रत वासिफ़ अली वासिफ़ का कॉल अल्लाह का एहसास है तो अल्लाह पास है जिसको अल्लाह का एहसास नहीं उस शख्स से बचो उसको अल्लाह का खौफ नहीं be very wary of the person who is not afraid of God because that person can do anything. He's capable of anything that you're working in. It's important to whatever sessions that we had earlier. It was just not only for the camera but also for you people to acquire knowledge. I gave I mean most of you basically that things that I said probably they went above your head. सर के ऊपर से निकल गई बट some things you must have held on to, you know, whatever that you could grasp. I hope that will and has benefited you because through that knowledge you can sell the product or the service that you've been given. Now if you tell someone what does OS Capital do, so we basically are brokers for Pakistan Stock Exchange and PMEX, and we provide you service, also guidance and consultancy on how to improve your portfolio, where in which sector you would invest in, and what are the opportunities for you that you can look in international markets as well, where you can utilize the profit-making opportunities. राइट सो दिस बेसिकली एक सेंटेंस में इसको अगर आप बेहतर तरीके से उर्दू में भी बोल सकते हो एंड यू कैन यू नो व्हेन यू आर कॉलिंग व्हेन यू आर ऑन योर व्हाट्सएप चैट और व्हाटएवर यू कैन राइट दैट डाउन राइट फर्स्ट के आपको कन्फ्यूजन व्हाटएवर प्रोडक्ट दैट यू आर सेलिंग यू शुड हैव द प्रॉपर नॉलेज व्हाट यू आर सेलिंग देयर शुड बी नो कन्फ्यूजन अबाउट व्हाट यू आर सेलिंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग कॉन्फिडेंस इज द थिंग जहाँ पे आप किसी सेलिंग में कोई चीज़ में अटक गए सोचने लग गए टाइपिंग में आपने उसके क्वेश्चन में देयर वाज अ पॉज इन यू नो in your replying back the guy is going to get the sense that this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. So you have to be prompt, quick, fast. When they ask you a question, response should be quick. So that is why this is the purpose of these sessions. Okay, why I'm telling you all these topics, because they can ask you, okay, some people now, investors or people out there are very much well aware of what is happening. They are more skilled and more educated than you are, right? Because they're also on social media and everything, and they're looking at all sorts of financial news and financial events, economic events, and they might ask you, what sort of techniques are there that you have that they can help me to make money. So basically what we've been taught is through our understanding of price pattern actions, sir, that we've been told to recognize, you can make informed decisions. Also, if you've heard about Elliott wave analysis, sir, and we use that and okay, probably yes I have, usse bhi pata hoga. So do you know about Fibonacci sequence or series? Oh yes, because arts and everything is based on Fibonacci numbers. So those are the numbers that we use, to evaluate stops, trades, and where the market might retrace to, or what target might achieve. Acha, acha. That means that he would figure out that you know something. आपको भी कुछ पता है, आपको आता है कुछ. So this is the purpose of it. Whole this 5, 6, 7 sessions that we had, that's the purpose of it. Give you some sort of an idea of what we are trying to achieve here, what the owner of this company is trying to achieve. Knowing the product, having the confidence in your voice, how you talk, how you speak, important things. ठीक है? I'll be 5-minute break and then we start again. Thank you. The interesting thing is, अब उसमें जाएंगे कि इसमें हम सीखेंगे थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए तुम लोगों के लिए ज़रा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा, it'll be a little bit more complex, but it'll be interesting for people who probably have an idea when this goes on to social media, what I am talking about. Today, the topic for the viewers and everybody else is Elliott wave theory. Now, what is Elliott wave theory? I'll just write it down so the word doesn't confuse you. I'll write the word Elliott wave. Elliott wave theory. Now, what is an Elliott wave? Elliott obviously is the name of a person, Ralph T. Elliott, Ralph Nelson Elliott. And wave theory is basically, why did he come up with something like wave theory? Well, basically, Mr. Ralph, he basically was a very learned person, and he studied the stock market cycles. Like we have the KSE stock market over here, we have the US stock market, we have the European stock market, we have the English stock market. He was an American, and he used to study the US stock market, the Dow Jones. And he was studying that, and he wanted to learn basically how to predict a method where one should safely buy, okay, and then exit with a profit and limit loss. Now, what happened one day that he had a car accident and he was paralyzed from the waist down, and that basically sent him into a depression. And he had a house near the ocean, a condo. Must have had a condo. Must be a rich guy, probably, trading in Dow Jones. And he started looking at these ocean waves. Samundar ki lehrein, the waves. He started looking at that. He started looking at the ocean. And what he noticed was that when the gravitational pull of the moon, or when these waves come into shore, first and initially, there is a first wave that comes towards land. जो wave जो आती है समुंदर से, लहर जो आती है, what I'm talking about, वो आती है land की तरफ, towards the land. First wave आती है, and then that wave sort of like retreats and goes back into the ocean, वापस समुंदर में जाती है, and then it comes back again into the land. And जो पहली wave है, उसके बाद जाके वो उससे ऊपर और जाती है, अंदर, inland, और आती है. उसके बाद फिर दोबारा the wave goes into the ocean, and then again it surpasses the पहले जो आई और जो फिर तीसरी दफ़ा आई ऊपर वो जो दूसरे पॉइंट से थी, and then it goes further up. So basically what he noticed was that there are basically 5 moves of that wave are important. 5 legs to that wave. There were 5 basic legs to that wave. First wave अंदर आई from the ocean towards land, goes back in. ठीक है, first ये गई, second one goes back into the ocean, and the third one comes, which goes past पहले वाले point के, past the first point, and comes in deeper inshore. And then it goes back, the fourth one goes back into the ocean, and then the fifth and the final one comes back in towards shore, towards the shore, towards the land. Okay? So you figure there were 5 waves basically. Now, this is very basic and what he noticed through nature that I've told you. So this basically is a nature-based theory. Anything that is based on nature, choose Elliott wave, and later I will tell you about Fibonacci series. Why? Because these are nature-based studies. And since we are, as I said, social animals and human beings, we also have a human nature. हमारे अंदर भी ह्यूमन नेचर है, समुंदर भी नेचर के ऊपर बेस्ड है, ठीक है. फिबोनाची सीरीज बताऊंगा, वो भी नेचर के ऊपर है. अभी टेल यू इन दिस कोर्स. सो आई चोज दीज 2 studies because they are nature based. ठीक है. And also, since this is based on waves, water, waves and everything, we human beings are 75% water. पानी है ना, 75% हिस्सा हमारा जिस्म का सारा पानी है. Without water, there is no life. ठीक है. So this is like a nature-based study. Why I give importance to these. There are also other studies, technical studies हैं, जिसको RSI कहते हैं, Relative Strength Index of a price. कि अभी एक प्राइस बहुत ऊपर गई है, relative strength, जो strength of that index stock, commodity और a currency बहुत ऊपर strength चली गई है. There's a very RSI ऊपर चला गया. That means now it is saturated, it might come down. And then there's RSI, relative strength index के बहुत weak हो गई है वो currency या commodity या stock. Now it is weak, now it should go up. This is an RSI, another उसका एक explanation है brief सी कि what is an RSI and how it technical yes को लोग देखते हैं. But I do not basically look at RSIs and stochastics. People do, technicians do, जो बाकी जो होते हैं वो देखते हैं. To me, they are not important. As long as I am able to figure out these 2 nature-based studies, Elliott wave theory and Fibonacci series. ठीक है. So, as I said, Elliott wave theory, मटाएगा बेटा. Now, why I'm telling you this? I mean, this probably doesn't make sense if you're not concentrating on spinning. But these are the probably on social media they will go on online. Over here is also important because you would know if somebody asks you what techniques do you apply. So we apply these techniques. One is wave theory, one is Fibonacci ratios, Fibonacci series, and we apply them, and they are nature-based series, and this is what we taught. And I think these give a more lucrative result as compared to other technical indicators. So these are the things that we apply. So something that you cannot add to your repertoire. What is repertoire? REPERIOTER. RE, मैंने क्या कहा था first in, have a note on a pad. If words that I tell you and I've now spelled it out, if you can write them down, write them down. REPERTOIER. You can spell check it from Google or AI or whatever. And who can read English here properly? Girls में, लड़कियों में से English कौन अच्छी बोलता है? बंदों में से. English, anybody can? Just, it's not a difficult question. ये word जो मैंने बताया repertoire, उसकी definition ज़रा मुझे बताएं. बस ये मैंने कहना था, उसको पढ़ के कोई बताए मुझे. Can anybody do that? Can anybody raise their hand? Anybody? ये सामने निकाल दिया. Repertoire. उर्दू में आ रहा है? उर्दू में पढ़ दे. फुर्सत नुमाइश. अच्छा, उर्दू ये मुश्किल है मेरे पास. आगे पढ़ना, आगे तो काफ़ी कुछ लिखा हुआ है.
इससे मुराद किसी अदाकार, शिकार या फनकार के वो तमाम काम हैं जो पेश कर सकते हैं या कर चुके हैं.
यस, लिखा हुआ आ गया. स्किल्स और एबिलिटीज. So add to your repertoire, add to your skills and abilities. Repertoire. Thank you, Mudassir. ठीक है, thank you very much. अगर नाम क्या था? अब्दुर्रहमान यार. तो why did I use the word repertoire anyway? अच्छा, so you add these two, wave theory and Fibonacci's, to your repertoire, to your skills and abilities, to your closet of skills and ability, to your closet. आपकी अलमारी जो होती है ना, उसके अंदर आपकी skill ability क्या है, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. I can read Urdu very fluently. जैसे ज़िया मोहिउद्दीन साहब बात करते थे उर्दू में, मुझे वैसे ही आती है. वो कसम खुदा की, अल्लाह बख्शे ज़िया मोहिउद्दीन साहब, इतनी मुश्किल उर्दू होती थी मैं तो, बट ही वॉज वेरी गुड माशाल्लाह द वे उनकी तरह. एंड ये भी मेरी स्किल है वो, यू नो, और यू नो, ऐड दैट टू योर बास्केट ऑफ स्किल्स, उसको कहते हैं रेपर्टोर. ठीक है. सो वी हैव these Fibonacci series and wave theory. That we have these skills and abilities that through this we can we can guide you to make a reasonable return on your investment. So these are the things that we use. You can tell this to your इनको potential whatever उसको मार्केट करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, potential client, potential your prospect, उसको आप बता सकते हैं. ठीक है. As I said, कि every wave जो अंदर आती थी, it had 5 legs. Now you basically understood the 5 legs that I just explained. Now I'll just explain it on the board over here. Okay. 5 waves or 5 legs. In a wave. Now, this is the first one. 1 mark कर दें. ये second. ये third. उसके बाद ये fourth. उसके बाद ये 5. Sorry, 5 should be sharp. उसके बराबर या थर्ड के बराबर होनी चाहिए, या उसके यहाँ पे. ये समुंदर की पहली, दिस इज द वेव 1 which comes from the ocean to the earth, retreats back. 2, third it goes up here, अंदर और आती है on the inland. 4th it goes back into the ocean. 5th it comes back further than this point. Every time these 1, 3 and 5, the top is basically higher than that. In the you will see scenarios which probably this is going on the net. They'll say there is definitely a 5th failure. We will talk about that as well when we continue. Okay. Now, if I had a screen which would show you a live, इस पे कोई लगाएगा यार, आप सारे लगाओ. investing.com, can you open it? चार्ट्स पे जाना है आपने बेटा, चार्ट्स होंगे वहाँ पे. CH फ्रूट चार्ट नहीं, CHART दूसरी चार्ट. लाइव चार्ट्स पे जाओ या करेंसी चार्ट्स, लाइव चार्ट किसी पे जाओ. गोल्ड का लगाओ या S&P का लगा दो कोई. सब ने एक ही कमोडिटी या करेंसी या जो भी चीज़ लगानी है, सब ने एक लगानी है. ठीक है. अब इसमें खोल लो आप लोग गोल्ड. अब इसमें जाएगा गोल्ड, लगा ले ऊपर, ऑगस्ट गोल्ड ये आ रहा है. हाँ, इस पर क्लिक कर, इस पर गोल्ड पे क्लिक कर दे, इस पर ये चार्ट आ जाएगा. वेरी गुड, ये नीचे आ गया. अब इसको ना कर दे, कैंडल्स आ रही होंगी यहाँ पे, ये ठीक है. अब इसको कर दे मंथली, कर दे मंथ पे, कर दे मंथ पे, ये मंथ. ये तो इन्होंने पैसे लेते हैं, डॉलर मांगते हैं ये तो. या बिटकॉइन का लगा दे, बाइनेंस देखते. बिटकॉइन तू लगता है, मुझे लगता है बाइनेंस में ट्रेड करता है तू. पापा नहीं यार, पापा पैसे कमाते हैं.
पापा ने शुरू में डुबोए भी थे, 7,000.
वो बेहतर डूबते हैं, हर एक डूबते हैं. मैं भी डुबोए हैं, फिक्र ना कर.
शुरू में जब गए थे ना, तब पापा ने
ना वो सारों के होते हैं. वो जब आपने डुबोया नहीं तब तो सीखा नहीं. जब तक आप डूबते नहीं, आप तैरना कहाँ सीखते हैं. अब आपने नाउ यू लुक एट योर स्क्रीन्स. सबने खोला है गोल्ड फ्यूचर्स 3347 राइट नाउ इज ट्रेडिंग एट. Now just to give you an idea, okay, what this wave theory, how this wave theory is applied in this market. You have in front of you a long-term monthly chart of gold futures. I did spoke about the futures market. I hope you have an idea what we spoke about. This is the gold futures. Okay? So August gold right now, I think it's running now. Or is it, yes, July, must be August. August gold. These are gold futures monthly. Now this basically shows the movement of the price of gold over a period of time. Months के ऊपर in a 1 month period, ये whole candle जो आप देख रहे हैं, जो candle में इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ, this one candle, जैसे मैं बड़ा करके, this whole candle, this one is of 1 month. One green candle or that red candle that you're looking at is basically represents in 1 month. 1 month, in that 1 month, what was the price action? Now, we will talk about candles as well. What are candlesticks? These are candlestick charts that you have in front of you. A candlestick basically shows okay, where did at the start of the month price, where the price opened, and then it came down. That coming down, जहाँ पे आपकी stick नजर आती है, that shadow, that basically it comes down and then it goes above the price where it opened and it goes up, and if it closes higher, then it is a green candle, a bullish candle, and that is what we call the body of the candle. ऊपर जो number आपको नजर आ रहे हैं, the sticks on top of the candle and the one on the below of the candle, we call that shadows, or that stick that you call, is basically the highs and lows, but it didn't actually stay at that price for much longer time during that period of that month. So these are monthly candles. एक month के अंदर, in 1 month, what was the price action? Where it opened, where it closed. So this is that one candle formation. We will talk about these candles as well in the coming week.
सर ये जैसे आपने कैंडल देखी ये 1 महीने की कैंडल है।
एक महीने की कैंडल है, exactly, absolutely, very good. Yes, एक महीने की.
एक और क्वेश्चन
Yeah.
सर पाकिस्तान में तो जैसे गोल्ड तोले के हिसाब से होता है, इधर आउंस के हिसाब से मतलब इंटरनेशनल लेवल में
Yeah, ounce के हिसाब से. Because every exchange, for example, in PMEX you have also tola भी करते हैं, but they are eventually they are standardized or synchronized with the international market.
ठीक है।
ठीक है.
और अगर मैं इधर ये ट्रेड बाय कर लेता हूँ, मतलब ये कैंडल, मतलब ये रेट है 5307
Right now?
ठीक है। अगर मैं बाय कर लेता हूँ तो 1 मंथ बाद इसका पता चलेगा मतलब प्राइस इंक्रीज हुई
No, if you are now, okay, that's a good question. Now depends. Okay, this since we are looking at a monthly chart, right? So even in this market, there are also 1 minute charts as well. There are 5 minute charts as well.
Yes.
There are 10 minute charts as well, 15 minute charts as well, 30 minutes, hourly charts, 2 hourly, 4 hourly. Now it depends how long you want to hold on to your trade. If you have a big portfolio, आपके client का और आपके पास कोई पैसा ज़्यादा है, और आप and you can trade it on a monthly basis. For example, I spoke about hedging and speculators. Hedgers basically they probably hold a futures contract till its expiry for 3 months and onwards, right? So they look at these monthly and what the trend might be, and they try to analyze based on these monthly charts where the price might go. So if you have a bigger portfolio, probably you will look at a longer term chart. But if you have a smaller time frame in mind कि मैंने ये trade इतने मिनट के लिए करनी है for this 15 minutes, then you will be probably looking at a 15-minute chart. On a 15-minute chart, you will place your stops accordingly. कि if I जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं यहाँ पे buy करता हूँ, तो मेरे पास I've got only about $5,000, but I do not want to lose in this trade more than $500 or $400. But that is a good decent move, $400 in gold. ठीक है? So I will place a stop below that $400. I'll place it at stop loss. Very good. कौन बोला ये? Very good. Good. You have an idea. Good, Yara. Your father is a trader. Very good. I would love to meet him. कभी लेके आना उसको यहाँ पे. ठीक है? Very good. Excellent. Good, यार. Good. ऐसा. नाम क्या था? राफेल. वो राफेल, वो मारने वाला राफेल जो गिरा दिया था जिसने. अच्छा वो गिरा था ना. ये राफे है. राफे है. Good. राफेल को गिराने वाला. Yes. Good. I like that. Okay. All right. Just to make this interesting, यार. It's okay. अच्छा. We So you put that stop loss, जैसे राफे ने भी बोला. So it doesn't go below that. मुझे इतना नुकसान ना हो, उतना ही हो, $400 का हो या $399 या
उसके बाद ट्रेड ऑटोमेटिकली क्लोज.
will be closed when you stop loss. But then you have के my maximum return should be basically what they say in this market. Your profit should be 3 times your stop. आपका कम से कम प्रॉफिट आपका 1200 से $1000 $1100 होना चाहिए कम से कम, जो ट्रेड आप प्लान कर रहे हैं, राइट. सो you would say if 3307 you've bought it, so probably you're looking at 34 something.
34.
Very good, excellent. ठीक है, yeah.
सर जैसे अभी आपने ये बताया,
And I'm good. I'm very proud here. Please record these questions. It's a very good. This interaction is. I love this.
अभी आपने बताया कि ये जो हम लोग अब ट्रेड ओपन करेंगे महीने के ऊपर, ये पूरी महीने ही ट्रेड चलती रहेगी. मगर क्रिप्टो के अंदर ऐसा नहीं होता. क्रिप्टो के अंदर हम चाहे एक साल का चार्ट खोल के पढ़ें, मगर जब मार्जिन करेंगे क्रिप्टो के अंदर तब हम लोग ट्रेड बांध सकते हैं. इसके अंदर पहले नहीं कर सकते.
ये इसमें भी करते हैं सेम क्रिप्टो, बिकॉज यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन लेवरेज, राइट. क्रिप्टो आप 108,000 पे पूरा तो नहीं पकड़ सकते ना बिटकॉइन आप या एनी. सो व्हाट यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन लेवरेज, जो मैंने बताया था, लेवरेज को समझ आई थी थोड़ी सी, ठीक है. आप लेवरेज पे कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. स्टॉप्स लगाने पड़ते हैं. तो आप, मैं करता हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ आई वांट टू ट्रेड राइट नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल गोल्ड के अंदर, ठीक है. अब मुझे समझ आ गई, आई अंडरस्टूड के लॉन्गर टर्म ट्रेंड जो अभी मैं चार्ट देख रहा हूँ, जैसे आप देख रहे हो ये ऐसे मुंडी चुकी हुई तेनी चली जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. मैं पागल ना तेनू आके बेचांगा जो सीधी शय उत्ते जा रही है. वो अब बच्चियां बैठी, मैं वो लफ्ज़ कहना नहीं चाहता कि तानू बस समझ आ गई है. तो बेसिकली आई विल मूव विद द ट्रेंड. आई विल से देयर इज अ टर्म इन दिस थिंग, ट्रेंड इज योर फ्रेंड. क्यों राफे ऐसे ना, फादर नोस, द ट्रेंड इज योर फ्रेंड. सो या
सर हमें कब मतलब ट्रेड मतलब बाय करना चाहिए?
okay, I'm coming to that from his question first. Now, if I am a trader and I want to analyze, so I would move from a longer term. Gold is bullish. Bullish मतलब कि it's going up, trend up है, ठीक है. Then I would study a smaller time frame. From a month, I will come to a week. Okay, trend also corrective नहीं है. It is also supporting कि अभी week में तो ठहरी हुई है, but still it also looks bullish in weeklies as well. दो चीज़ें, ठीक है. फिर मैं डेली पे आऊँगा. डेली पे ऑल्सो करेक्शंस कुछ आते हैं, मूवमेंट्स आती हैं ऊपर नीचे, लेकिन एक सर्टन लेवल होल्ड कर रही है. बट ओवरऑल मेजर ट्रेंड इज अपवर्ड्स. तो आई विल कीप माई माइंड कि मैंने बाय ही करना है, ठीक है. इसी तरह मैं स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम्स पे आ जाऊँगा, 4 आवरली, 1 आवरली, एंड देन टू फाइन ट्यून माई ट्रेड, मेरी एंट्री तो मैं 15 मिनट को भी देखूँगा, छोटा अकाउंट है तो 5 मिनट्स को भी देखूँगा. बट जहाँ से मुझे इंडिकेशन मिलती है कि मेरे लॉन्ग टर्म एनालिसिस पे कि अब ये कैंडल, अब ये मार्केट, दिस मार्केट इज अबाउट टू मूव फ्रॉम हेयर टुवर्ड्स द अपसाइड, जो इसका मेजर ट्रेंड है, वेयर द ट्रेंड इज योर फ्रेंड, देन एट दैट प्राइस आई विल बाय, राइट. सो वी कैन बेसिकली, आप फाइन ट्यून कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम अ लॉन्गर. बेसिकली ट्रेंड आपको डायरेक्शन देता है, इट गिव्स यू मेजर डायरेक्शन. सो द मेजर डायरेक्शन इज क्लियर टू यू. सो वट एवर अपॉर्चुनिटी इन अ शॉर्टर टर्म, इफ इट डिप्स एंड इट सर्टन लेवल से वो नीचे नहीं आती, सर्टन लेवल को वी विल डिस्कस कि व्हाट दैट सर्टन लेवल कुड बी. वी विल यूज़ फिबोनाची रेशियो इन दैट, फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस. मैंने कहा 2 स्टडीज़ में देखता हूँ, उसके अंदर फिबोनाची रेशियो आई यूज़, ठीक है. इट इज़ होल्डिंग ऑन, इट होल्ड्स ऑन टू रिट्रेसमेंट लेवल, जहाँ पे मार्केट आके रुकी है, जैसे वेव 2 यहाँ पे आके रुक गई है. अब मेजर ट्रेंड ये है, ठीक है, ठीक है. अब मार्केट जब भी डिप करेगी, कहीं भी नीचे डिप करेगी, इन वेव्स के अंदर भी वेव्स होती हैं. जैसे ये है, पहली जा रही है, इसके अंदर भी 1 2 3 4 5, ये 1 कंप्लीट हो गई, ठीक है. ये जो नीचे आई है, ये 3 वेव्स में आते हैं, 1 2 3, विच इज़ A B C. फिर ये ऊपर जाएगी, इसके अंदर भी वेव्स होगी, 1 2 3 4 5, ये कंप्लीट 3 बन गई, 1 2 3 4 5. ये वेव्स के अंदर वेव्स बनी होती हैं. ऐसे ही बंद, इट कीप्स ऑन गोइंग लाइक दैट, A B C, ठीक है. एंड देन 1 2 3 4 5, waves within waves. Becomes, it's not that easy, but it comes with practice. That's what I wrote in the first time. I said, whatever you do, practice, practice, practice. Answer हो गया question? ठीक है, आप फाइन ट्यून ऐसे करते हैं. लॉन्गर टर्म से डायरेक्शन में किया, शॉर्टर टर्म में जैसे हमने कहा पापा देखते हैं कि शॉर्टर टर्म पे हमारे पास शॉर्ट बिटकॉइन को देखेंगे शॉर्टर टर्म. ऑफ कोर्स 15 मिनट में ट्रेड प्लेस करके as soon as it gives you, if you are satisfied with the profit that you've made, is also saying good cash is the one that you have in your pocket. वही पैसा अच्छा जो आपकी जेब में. ठीक है, टेक योर मनी एंड रन. डालो जेब में, ट्रेड क्लोज. For traders, it's very important. For Rafe's father, what I applied the opportunity, I used to have, what I still do is that I have a target, a daily target. Okay, today, if it's a smaller account, I will make $100 and that is my target. If I achieve that $100 by, in one trade I made 20, other trade I made 30, and then I made 50, close your laptop and that's it, done. Or if my target is $50, I'll make 10 trades of choti trades jisme my target achieved, done. Put that money in your pocket and run. Done and run. Run and done. Right? So this is very important. Discipline. Discipline trading. Even if your target for your profit is 100, you should have a target for your loss as well. Isse zyada today I'm not going to lose that much, or my major portion of my portfolio over the past 3 days of trading that I've made, उसका मैं आधा lose करूँगा या quarter lose करूँगा या इतना lose करूँगा, उससे ज़्यादा I don't want to lose. So discipline is the key. What people do, they make these profits, right? They're good at it. But once a trade goes against them, they say कि यार bloody hell, अभी exactly I just made $10 और मेरे 10 से 20 जा रहे हैं, अब मैं बंद कर दूंगा as soon as मेरे ये आज के $10 वापस आएंगे. But that doesn't happen. The market goes against you. And I say, oh यार आज के चने कल के भी मैंने $50 कमाए थे, देर अब वो मैं रिकवर कर लूँगा करूँगा तो मैं. So what you keep emotions, जज्बात, emotions come into play. The basic thing in this business is, in any business is, do not let emotions come in your way. कभी पोकर खेली है लोगों ने? जुआ, पहले मैंने पूछा था, जुआ खेलेंगे? Okay, there's something called a poker face. You know what a poker face is? नहीं, poker face होता था कि पापा से पूछना पता है. Poker face होता है कि if you have seen big poker games on TV, बाहर आती हैं ये आते हैं, इधर भी ये शुरू किया था पाकिस्तान में. Poker games, $1 million, $1 million की कार्ड गेम्स होते हैं. And कई बंदे you've seen कि कार्ड टेबल्स पे बैठे हैं, उन्होंने सन ग्लासेस लगाए होते हैं, डार्क ग्लासेस, sitting inside a room. Why they are wearing those glasses? Because one, they don't want other guy looking at your eyes, because once you look at something, you obviously, if you have a good hand, you will react. Another person can judge कि यार this guy has a good hand, इसके पास अच्छे पत्ते हैं, and he can play you. If you have a bad hand, you go like this. So they hide their eyes. So they become poker face. Poker face is basically that one does not show emotions. Exactly. You do not have any emotions. Do not show any expressions. Similarly, in this market, get rid of your emotions. Be cool hand Luke. Right? Paul Newman. He was a very good actor. So act like cool hand Luke. So emotions should be out of this trade. Did I answer your question? Okay, but to your question.
सर अगर हम 1 मिनट की ट्रेड लगाते हैं,
Holy shit, that is dangerous. एक वो आया था, याद है वो वीडियो देखी थी, एक बंदा लगा हुआ था, कोई बिटकॉइन या बीटीसी ट्रेड करा रहा था. अब हम देखेंगे, वो बाय करेंगे, वो ओके अब हमने किया, अब ये ऊपर जाएगा, वो एकदम दैट्स द 1 मिनट ट्रेड. क्या बोल यार, देखी हुई है ना.
लेकिन सर ये जो ब्रोकर्स होते हैं, ये क्या उसे कहते हैं, ये जो ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म आजकल निकले हुए हैं, ये 1 मिनट 2 मिनट की ट्रेड.
Yeah, that is I won't recommend that. I don't, because I like to plan my trade, come up with a strategy, study the fundamentals, the economics. मैं दोनों चीज़ें करता हूँ. I'm not a total technician. I'm not a total person who relies on fundamentals of उसमें. I look at both, and that is basically has helped me. You analyze your trade. Whenever you're trying to do something, always have a notepad or a pen, old-fashioned, as you might like to call me, but that's what I do. I tick mark, right? data was this. This is the market, how it reacted. It went up or went down. ठीक है, this is the data and what the market is anticipating. ये लिखा, fundamental आ गया आपका. Second, my wave count. जैसे इधर पूछा, Mudassar asked, I evaluate the trend, longer term, medium term, shorter term. ठीक है, tick mark, okay, it's a buy or it's a sell. वो लिखा. And then I do my wave count on a smaller chart. If it's a 1 hourly chart, 2 hourly, 4 hourly chart, daily chart, I do my wave count. Yes, the wave counts I'll be telling you. Do my wave count. Okay. Is it fourth wave? Was it second wave? Corrective में है. Eventual move इसकी up होगी. This is where my stop is going to be. I write down that stop. I place my trade. My exit strategy. मेरा stop बताएगा. मेरा profit target बताएगा. And then Fibonacci's कहाँ पे आते हैं? Fibonacci's levels. Tick mark करके उसमें A1 important level is 23.6%. What they look at, most platforms they give. Then 38.2%. Then 50%. Then 61.8. 61.8. So बात है, it's a very important number. 0.618 or 1.618. I will end this lecture over here, and I will come back to you on Monday. I'll make this interesting for you. 1.618 is the Fibonacci number, which basically is mentioned in the Quran, and the position of the Kaaba on this planet is based on that 1.618. So when you go home, look at the number on your YouTube. आप जानेंगे the importance of number 1.618. 0.618 भी होता है, 1.618.